Welcome to the series of database management system. Today we will see data types and the type of commands which are included in DDL command. In our last lecture, I have already told you what are data types. We say that data types is nothing but a type of data that particular column holds. Every column, whenever we are writing or creating the table, at that time it must expect a type of data type associated with the column. So here we have a character data types like character 20 or variable character 20. Here the character and the variable character is having a difference, like character data type is used when there is a record which is a fixed length record, and if we have a record which is having length which is vary, we are not able to identify the type or the length, how many number of characters that particular column will hold. At that time what we can do, we can go for the variable length character. Like for example, if you consider the column like gender, for a gender again we have a fixed value male and female. So for that particular for that particular column we can use the character data type because it is a fixed length character. And what we can do, like female is having a female having a 6 character and male is having a 4 character. So the 6 character is more, so we can specify the bigger length like character 6 as a data type for the gender. If you consider the again for a variable character, if you consider the name, address, these are the columns which are vary. The name of the person can vary from person to person. The number of characters which require in the address can vary, depends on the addresses, that address which is posted by the users. So here variable character, we always use the variable character where the we are not able to identify what type, what how many length of value that length of bytes that value will consume. Then for a numbers, like if you have a column which contain a number, at that time you have a certain options like int, big int, small int, for float. Depends on your choice, you can take these data types, and these all are machine dependent. What I mean by machine dependent, depend on the machine, whether it is a 32-bit character architecture or 64-bit architecture. It follows, depends on that the size of data type for int, for big int, for small int, and for float and double, it will vary. Apart from character data types and number data types, we are having some more different kind of data types which we can use, like money. We can use monetary money as a data type for a value where we need to specify the money. And then date, time, like for example if you want like birth date, so at that time we can use a date as a data type. If we want login time, so at that time we can use time as a data type. So depends on the column, we can have a set of data types and we can pick any one of out of that. So these are some basic data types which we can use while creating the tables. Now next, we will see create table command in details in the next lectures, but we will see the rest of commands which are included in DDL. So the next command which we will see is alter table command. Alter table command, it is used to alter the structure of database. As we know that whenever we consider a table, so table is having actually two parts, the table structure and the table data. Generally, when we consider DDL command, so DDL command is always works with the table structure, like creating the structure, deleting the structure, modifying the structure. So here comes the alter table command, which is used to alter the structure of database or table, we can say. This change could be either to modify the characteristics of existing attribute or probably to add the new attribute or delete any column. So depends what you want to do. Based on your choice, you can use alter table command. Actually alter table command is used in three scenario. If you have already created the table And if you want to add a new column, you can use alter table command. If you want to delete a column, you can use alter table command. And if you want to modify the size or add you want to add any constraint in the table, already existing table, you can use alter table command. So remember that alter table command is not creating a table, but where we have an existing table, it is just modifying it. The syntax for, as we say that this is a language, so every command will have its own syntax. So here, if we want to add a new column in a table, what we can do, we can use a alter table command. So here we are using a alter table command to add new column, that is a class column in the table. Now we will see this is a syntax: alter table, table name, add column name with column definition. Here add new column is a class. Like for example, if you consider this particular example, here we have a table name student, which is containing roll number, name, gender and address. After creating this, if I want to add one new column, what I can do, I can use alter table command. So how to alter the structure of a table, how to add one more column in the table, by using, we can do this by using the alter table command. So this is a syntax: alter table. What is a table name? This is a student. Then add, because we want to add, we will be using the add keyword. And then what I want to add, I want to add a class. And what is the data type of a class? It is a character 20. It depends the size, the data type is depends on the user. You can take character also, you can take variable character also. Now we will see this by using the example. Let's create the student table. So this is interactive, what we can say, screen. Here I am using the Oracle 10G version. I have already connected it. Now I will be creating a table, that is a student table. So I'll write create table. My table name is a student. Then open bracket, I'll write roll number. The data type is int. Then I'll write name. For name, as we have specified, the name has a data type variable character. Then we'll use gender. For gender, I'll be using a data type as character, and the size is 6 because female is containing size 6. And then I'll be using address. And for address again, I'll be using a character data type, but here I'll use a bigger size. And then because all the columns are done, I'll be just pressing an semicolon and then enter. So see here what I have did, I have created the table. This is my first table. Now what I want to do, I want to just alter the structure of this. I want to add one more column. So without deleting it, how we can able to do it? We can able to do it by using the alter table command. So I have just shown you how to use the alter table command to add the one specific column in the existing table. So we'll be writing alter table. What is my table name? It is a student. Alter table, table name. Let me just write the command alter table. Table name in this case is a student. And then what we want to do? We want to add a column. I'll write add. What I want to add? I want to add a class. And then give a size of class. What a data type? I will be using data type as variable character. So I'll be write VAR. And I want size as 10. So here I have written the alter table command. So now see here, the table is getting altered, and if you want to see really whether the table is actually get altered or not, what you can do, you can use one command, that is desc table name. So what it will do, it will give you the number of columns which are present. See, roll number, name, gender and address, these are previous columns, and now I have added one new column, that is called a class column in this particular table. So this is a way you can use the alter table command if you want in for modifying the structure of the table. I hope this is clear to you. If you find any difficulty, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.